Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you how to fix Yakuza Kiwami 3 and darkties gamepad or controller not working issue on PC. So the very first method is to restart your PC. For that, click on the Windows icon, click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, check whether gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, next method is to update your controller drivers. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for device manager. But before that, you have to connect your PC as well as controller. After that, here you have to search for human interface devices, expand it, select your controller, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will update your controller drivers. Once done, restart your PC and then check whether controller is working or not. If not, next is to enable or disable Steam input. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on controller. Here you have to select enable Steam input and then check if controller or gamepad is working or not. If not, again come back, select disable Steam input and then check if the issue is resolved or not. If not, then again come back, select use default settings and move to the next method. Next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and here click on verify integrity of game files. Once the game files is verified, now check whether controller is working or not. If not, next method is to update Windows. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now here you have to search for check for updates. Now here you will get check for updates option. If yes, click on it and wait for some time, and after updating your Windows to the latest version, now check whether gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, next is to remove controller and add it again. So for that, go to the Windows search for settings. Now click on Bluetooth and devices and here you have to remove the controller that is added. For that, click on the three dot icon and click on remove device. After it is removed, restart your PC and again go to settings, click on Bluetooth and devices, click on add device, click on everything else and add your controller to your PC over here, and after adding it, check whether it's working or not. If not, next is to check for game update. So go to Steam and here you can see if there is any update available. If yes, update your game to the latest version, and after that check whether the controller is working or not. If not, you are suggested to install DS4 Windows tool. So for that, you can search for DS4 Windows tool in Google, or you can also simply copy the link that I have already provided in the description and paste it in your. Now once the website opens, click on the download option and after that, here go below and here you have to click on download option once again. This will download DS4 Windows tool. After it is downloaded, you have to install it and after that connect your controller and update it. Once done, launch the game and then check for the error. If not, next method is to enter big picture mode. So for that, go to Steam and select your game under library section and here you can see big picture mode. Simply click on it. After you enter big picture mode, select your game and click on the play button and check whether it's opening or not. After that, click on Steam option, click on power and then select exit big picture mode. Once you have done this, now check whether gamepad or controller is working or not. So using these methods, you can easily resolve Yakuza Kiwami 3 and darkties gamepad or controller not working issue. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.